shampoo is the best thing for washing the cats and the dogs because then they don't stink.
Yep.
Using dog shampoo makes them smell like wet dog and wet cat.
Yep. And it also makes them softer.
And the balsam shampoo makes them softer. And it's only 98 cents.
This is so amusing. I can just imagine going back to school. So what was the highlight of your spring break? Oh, I made my cat. Posted a video on YouTube. Should show it in the game.
This is what happens when your parents are unemployed.
You are
You
staying
can see
in
the
tub.
fur that's going round and round.
Oh man.
Oh
the
my god.
giant purple.
Yes, that's still a very large amount of dirt coming off that cat.
Yep.
He's gonna need a second scrubbing.
Yep. Usually does. Alright, you're halfway done. Halfway.
No, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
I don't know what I did, but I'm not gonna do it again.
Are you, kitty?
It's still pouring off of him.
Yeah, you can see it.
Are you dying? Yes!
And as Oreo tries to make a break for it, all I see is your head. There we are. Don't forget his feet. His feet are still black.
Oh, your feet's still black, kitty. Good thing I'm wearing shorts.
And if we were to translate those meows, they actually are death threats. What he's saying is, I know where you sleep, and I still have back claws.
And yet he doesn't bite or scratch. That giant football on my arm. You are staying in tub.
Probably should make it a little bit cooler.
Your little rat tail. You're so clean. Go sleep. Sort of. There's the flab.
Oh! Oreo, you're not done yet!
I decide when I'm done.
You're not done!
Oh, come here. You're not done yet. That was so close. Get up, Deadly. Right there. Going down.
And there is still dirt coming off the cat.
Save me! Save me! Just imagine the giant fur ball that's gonna We left in the drain. Should show it to Matt. That'd be funny.
Oreo, you're so pathetic. If you would bathe yourself, we wouldn't have to bathe you.
Well, we still would, but not as much. Not as often. You've escaped it for like 3 weekends, Pat. Get over it. You knew it was inevitable.
I think he's pretty rinsed. Oh, poor kitty. Poor kitty.
Alright, now let's get all over the hair. Yeah, that's disgusting.
Giant fur balls floating in the water. Oh, it's okay.
Be happy, you get the big towel. Oh,
And that.
his feet are pink.
And that is a clean cat.